Hello students, today we're going to talk about onomatopoeia. Remember, onomatopoeia is using words that make sounds. So why should we use onomatopoeia in our writing? When we use onomatopoeia, it makes our readers feel like they are right there in the story. It's almost like they can hear the sounds by reading them. Okay, let's try this out. I want you to listen really carefully to this sound. What sound do you hear? So this is what I hear. I hear blip, blip, blip. So I'm going to use the sounds that I know to write the word. Okay, for that one, I hear a car, and I'm thinking of the sound vroom. And that's the word I made for that sound. Okay, now you try. Listen carefully to the sound and think about the word that it could make. Okay, now someone please pause the video, and I want you to write the sound you heard, then share it with your group. Okay, now we're going to try something a little bit different. I want you to look at this picture, and let's think of a sentence to describe what's happening in this picture. Okay, here's a sentence. The little girl jumped onto the pile of leaves. This sentence is okay, but how can we better describe this sentence using onomatopoeia? How can we make our readers hear what's happening? How about this? Whoosh! The little girl flew through the air and landed on a pile of leaves. Crunch! Can you hear what's happening in the picture? Okay, now let's practice. I want you to look at the picture and try to think of a sentence that can describe what's happening. Try to use onomatopoeia, words that make the reader hear what's happening. Okay, somebody pause the video and write a sentence for this image using onomatopoeia, then share your sentence with the group. So when you're doing work on writing and you're working on a piece, I want you to think, how can I use onomatopoeia in my writing? How can I make my reader hear and see the story?